In this video, I will show you how to create a vacation reply in Gmail. So let's get started. If you will be away from your Gmail account like on vacation or without internet access, you can set up a vacation responder to automatically let people know you won't be able to respond right away. First, on your Android phone or tablet, open Gmail app. Now in the top left side, tap horizontal three lines which is for menu. Now scroll all the way down and tap settings. Now choose your account where you wish to create a vacation reply. Now scroll down and tap vacation responder. Now at the top you will find an option vacation responder with toggle button. Just enable vacation responder toggle switch. Now you need to fill in first day and last day where you won't be available to reply. Now enter subject and message line. Once done, tap done at the top. And as you can see, the vacation responder is now set. Now if you want to turn off your vacation reply, then just open vacation responder again and just switch vacation responder toggle switch to off and then tap done. Note that your vacation reply starts at 12 am on the start date and ends at 11:59 pm on the end date unless you end it earlier. So that is how you can create a vacation reply in Gmail. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.